Hi, today I'll show you how we prepare the files and then creating a wooden map of Romantic Venice. In the end of the video you will also see how I create few t-shirt designs using the same files. So I was wondering which map to create. I was torn between a map of South America and those racing tracks maps. In the end I decided on Venice because, well, Venice is Venice, the city of love, a place everyone wants to visit or have a memory of. Preparing the files for this map was quite challenging due to the unique structure of Venice. The city is made of many islands, making it a real design and production difficult. These sections will separate after cutting, and then it will be difficult to place them in the exact spots. And since I sell these designs as files, I also have to think about what will be convenient for my customers. To make my work easier and the map more practical, I decided to add icons for landmark and labels with names of some islands. This not only enhances the design, but also makes the map more informative. Now let's look at the issues. Overall is good, but there are some minor flaws. Right here, these things are missing. These are some kind of docks. This entire island has come off, but we'll glue it separately. Here is the finished map. I'm happy with how it turned out. I expected more challenges. Let me know in the comments what you think. And as I promised at the beginning, here's how I used the map to create and publish several t-shirt designs on pod sites such Merch by Amazon, TeePublic, Zazo and Redbubble.